Hi guys. It's just me.
Girl, where you at? 해가 떠서질 때까지 내 계속 불안해. By the end of the day,
No,
미치겠어.
I don't.
눈부신 내
Mag-isa lang ako.
영원 같은 waiting. 격하니 fake 너를 그리는 daydream. 내 원하면 원할수록 I feel so low.
This is crazy.
That's crazy. Ethan was just watching Singles Inferno.
I'm not watching Singles Inferno. Hello guys, shout out.
Guys, shout out to you guys. Dude, I'm learning like the functions here, cause like it's cool. You could invite like
Yeah, you can invite people. You don't know that? Guys, hindi niya alam mag-live.
hold on,
Ano
I'm
ba
learning.
yan?
Yo, Franz is watching.
For real? In your live?
Well, in your live, cause this is your live. Tama?
No, this is not. That's another live. Different kind of lives.
Ay, okay. No, it's not. It's not. Okay. Oh, you're
Hi,
watching.
Ka.
Wait, I don't get it. So is this your live or my live?
Both are lives. Ibang tao yung sa iba yung tao sa akin.
Ay, weh, that's so cool.
Hi,
Hold on.
Josie. I'm just gonna do shoutouts. Hold on.
Yeah, let's do shout outs.
Hi, Josie. Hi, Marianne. Hi, Marianne.
Then who's your favorite Singles Inferno couple?
I don't
Guys, Ethan is a Singles Inferno enjoyer.
Hi, Chloe. Hi, Ashley. Hi, Marie.
Finals. Is ano with you? Charles?
Hi. No, Charles is not here.
Hello. Ethan eh. Oh.
Hi, Ara.
You're just shouting out.
Good evening to me.
No, I'm not. I get it. Machi daw ng hat. No.
Actually, oh, we have a matchy hat. Hold on. Let's show them. Hi, hat. Wait lang. Wait, I'll get my hat. Kunin ko lang. Wait lang, mag-shorts lang ako. I'm just wearing underwear.
Are you serious?
I'm at home.
I always wear my underwear. I mean, yeah, of course I do wear underwear. That's weird if I don't. Hey,
Guys.
I can only use one hand because I'm in here.
Wait, I'm gonna go relive.
You're gonna what?
I'm gonna go relive.
What's that?
I'll go back. I'll invite you again.
Do I end it? You end it?
Wait. There,
Dude.
I'm back. No, show your hat.
Hold on.
Hi, Belle. Hi, Thea.
It's not the same blue. Why is it not the same blue? Hold on, I'm gonna turn off. Because my lights are bright. Alright, now it's the same blue. Ow, ow,
Hi,
ow.
Aya. Wash out.
Dude, you're so muscly now. So your muscles. He's getting ready for Singles Inferno season 5, guys.
Nakakainis ka. Hi, Bambi. Let's invite friends.
Where is he? Is he here? Friends, are you? This is the
Hi, Dahlia.
actually like my other hat better.
Oh. Ano to, video call?
Whoa, what is this?
Ang galing!
This is so random.
Super OA. Hindi naman siya nagsasalita. I can't hear him. Hi, Kuya Jerome.
Wait, how come we can't hear you?
Wala, nagli-lip-sync niya.
He's...
Hi, Vel. Hi, Kate. Thank you guys for the gifts. Hi, Alex.
No, you're kidding, friend.
Nagbibiro yan.
It's a prank.
Isa Frank, kamusta ka na?
Okay lang. Ay, thank you po sa pag-join po sa akin dito, mga idol ko po kayo.
Kala mo hindi magkakaibigan ng OA.
Oh, guys, France has a special announcement. France will be Singles Inferno Season 5.
Baka ikaw. Baka ikaw talaga yun, Taneo.
Alam mo, kanina niya ko pinipilit yung Singles Inferno. Isang season ko lang napanood yon, tapos siya nakailang season na.
Uy, wala ah. He was watching here kanina. Like the whole...
Feel ko gusto sumali ni Taneo sa
Oo.
Singles Inferno.
Alam mo naman matagal.
Oh no, I'm taken. By the
Wow!
Magilios.
Ah, Shogi.
Arte mo?
So,
Okay,
taken.
comments.
Si ano na lang, si Ethan na lang ang sasali sa Singles Inferno.
Yeah,
Wow!
that's why you've been working out.
Ay.
Hi, Rhea. Thank you guys for the gift. Thank you. Miku, hello.
Thank you for the gift. Thank you for the gift.
Out here? Hold on. Alright.
Kakagupit ko lang eh. Kamusta ka naman, Franz Chua?
How are you, friends? I haven't
Ito,
seen time.
ay, onti na lang mag-give up. Hindi!
Don't give up.
Joke lang. Okay lang naman.
Give no gifts.
Oh, yes, drop gift, guys. Drop
May nag-comment dito, hi, Franz. As in, France, as the bansa. Ganun.
Hindi ako yun. Hindi talaga ako yun.
Hi, Chiquita.
Friends,
Oh,
you speak French.
wait. Hindi ko kayo marinig. Wait lang. Ano no? Ano daw sabi niya?
Hi, Sad.
Ano daw sabi niya?
Ewan ko dyan.
Kayo ang kamusta?
Ikaw yung di lumalabas eh.
Sorry.
Hi, Sad. Hi,
Feel ko,
Ko.
feel ko after 1 month, lalabas na ako.
Okay. Saan ka pupunta?
Diyan, sa labas ng kondo. Hindi, feel ko okay na. Parang feel ko okay na tapos na yung busy era. Busy era.
Busy era. Huwag naman natin tapusin yung busy era. Gusto natin
I mean, meron ng, time for social life era naman.
May bias in alamat, may bias in vision, dating bias ko sa nito in one frame.
Ay,
May sabi dito. Hi, Ashley.
Ay, nakamute. No, I can hear them now.
Morning, guys. Ay, good morning na ba? Ah, hindi pa naman.
Yeah, they're in the
Alam
boy
mo,
group.
ang lapit-lapit na natin sa isa't isa. Lahat tayo dito. Hindi tayo nakikita.
Oh, I
saan
know.
ka ba?
Secret.
Ay, sasabihin ko sana, kala ko video call. Sasabihin ko sana saan.
Wait nga, gaano kalayo? Mga ilang steps?
8 minutes away.
8 minutes.
Wait, saan ka ba? Oh.
Ako sa... Doon.
Ah, okay. Sa ano?
Doon sa...
Okay. Get.
Paano nyo nag
It's like 5 minutes away from me.
Oh, wait lang. Wait, hulaan ko kung saan ka, Ethan. Malapit sa ano?
Saan?
Sa... Malapit sa ABS?
Hindi.
Hindi. Si Taneo yung ABS.
Hindi.
Huh?
Iba ako eh.
Hi guys. Hi Princess. Hello.
Iba
Dayan.
ako.
Sa,
Tap, 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 tap.
sa maraming kainan.
Maraming kainan. There's like a lot of kainan here. Wait, are you still in the same place?
Yeah. Just in a different unit.
Dude,
Tap me. Hello.
we're gonna go there now.
Ooh!
Joke lang. Wild thought.
Okay. Sino kasama mo? Franz. Ikaw lang sa kondo mo?
Oo.
Uy.
Invite-
Sige nga, kondo tour. Sige nga ako mag-isa.
Makalat! Hindi, pero wait lang! Makalat siya, guys.
Hi, Paula Garcia. Yeah, I have a Bible jar. You wanna see? Okay, nasa na? Nasa na yung Bible? Ay, ito. Kondo tour.
Condo tour? Makalat, hindi ba ako ready? Wait. Ito na lang, papakita ko sa inyo.
Hi, Cass.
Dude, I love your ceiling.
Sawa ni Kiefer Watson, hello.
Yung mga plant. Oh, plant ba?
Plant.
Plant ba?
Oh, you're a plantito. Dang.
Plant, para ano? Kunwari lang, aesthetic ba? Ito, peke lang yan, wag kayo maniwala.
Halatang peke yan.
O, peke yan, peke. Pero yung iba, tunay siya.
Yeah.
Ay, grabe.
Ito mga plant ba? Yan.
Plant. Hi, Ashley.
Makalat say host.
Okay. Huwag niya nang tignan, makalat pa dito.
It's okay. It's okay.
Gusto mo yung nagla-live tayo, tapos meron, binabasa natin yung mga comments natin.
Kaya nga, iba-iba pala yung
Dapat same, no?
I don't know how it works.
Paano ba yun?
My first time doing this.
Hindi pa yan siya naglilinis. Hindi, naglilinis ako pero parang nakatambak pa yung mga damit ko.
Yeah, naglilinis. Ako din naglilinis, pero like 1 minute
Hindi
late.
talaga, ang dumi talaga ng kwarto mo.
Oh, yung mga...
Ayan, condo tour. Taneo condo tour.
Hi, Micah.
Naglalag.
Mhm.
Ay, ano ako eh, may area.
Yeah, I promise you.
Promise
Shout
you.
out kay Jaja. Jaja! Okay na.
Different
Ethan
comments.
Condo Tour, hindi talaga.
Ethan condo tour. Let's go.
Tour.
Hindi. Oh, thank you for the... Ang galing! Ang galing nun, ganda nun.
Ethan condo tour is now.
Is now.
Yeah.
Hindi talaga. Ethan Closet Tour, hindi talaga.
Bathroom tour.
Dude, ba't di mo labas yung blue na cap mo?
No, it's not matching. Our color doesn't match. I don't know why. Watch.
Forever, dude.
Wait, may blue ba ako dito?
Blue tayo parehas, tatlo.
Hindi ganyan, wala akong ganyan.
It doesn't match. Our blue.
Wala, ito lang yung blue ko.
Sabi niya, Haruna, kakakita lang daw niya kay Franz.
Pare-pareho kami ni Charles, guys. Ako, si Tene, at si Charles.
Wala akong ganyan.
Pati si Franz.
Bumili ka na.
Bibili pa lang.
Magbabrown na lang ako.
David, change brown caps.
Yeah,
Wait,
Ethan.
wait. I have a brown cap. Just get a brown cap.
Very soon.
I'll just get the brown cap.
Ay, brown cap ka. Okay, brown cap.
Oy!
Ooh, we're matchy.
Kaso this is...
How are you? Hold on.
Mag-sunglasses tayo. Tara.
Ang klase. Wait.
Yeah.
Is Taneo daw, alamat member. Yeah.
Yes, Taneo is the OG alamat. OG alamat.
Kaso nag-retire na siya.
Wait, am I actually the oldest here? What's your year again, friends? I know I'm older than you.
What?
What's your
What's my what?
Here. I don't know. I don't know.
Huh?
Sa Jeje mo.
Wait, no, close.
Hi, Dara. Hi, Kuya Ethan. Hi, Kaze.
Oh, lagot.
Yes.
Oh. Grabe, Maloy.
Maoy. Hindi. Hindi.
Ako.
Pansinin mo na ako. Hi, Michaela. Hi, Jane. Ethan as a Vision member daw.
Oh, go.
Go.
Patugtog natin yung Agila. Eh!
Hey,
Wag,
guys.
please.
New release. Their recent release.
Wag.
I'm a big fan of SST and Sandal lang.
Yay.
Sandal lang.
Feeling ko sa mga next naming release, dapat mag-collab tayo, guys.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to your studio.
Go. Let's go. Let's do it.
Thank you for the star. Thank you.
I was gonna chat you guys. I like your furry on that.
Aso hindi nyo ako sasali?
Kasali ka nga.
Oo nga.
So magkukulab kayo, tas di ako kasali. Sige, okay lang.
Oo nga. You're the
Kasali ka nga.
Ikaw yung teacher. Joke lang. Ikaw yung videographer.
Ay.
Basta.
Okay, I gotta stop myself.
Wait lang, gulo na buka, kagupit ko lang.
I can't even fix my...
Geographer ka lang daw.
I only got
Okay,
one.
magagalit ako.
I'll just wear this blue cup.
Same.
Sinong kasama mo, Kuya Ethan? Ano?
Dude, we're all matched.
Dan,
Francis.
thank you for the rose.
Wait lang, may blue
Ethan
ba?
Avengers, thank you.
Check ko kung may blue ako.
See you guys on the 25th.
Malapit na po din.
Diba to eh?
Guys, thank you. Have a nice day. Malapit na birthday ko. Yes! Baka naman.
Yeah, February 3, guys.
4!
No.
4, dude.
Ay,
Thank you, Christian.
February 4, 2003. At 2:06 p.m. Joke lang. Hindi ko alam.
Congrats kay Ethan.
Thank you. Bakit? Ang okay ng congrats?
Kasi magsasample ka ngayon.
Hindi talaga.
Oh yeah, guys.
Thank you, Ashton. Thank you. Cassia, thank you. Ikaw mag-sample talaga.
Huwag ka nang humirit.
Anong gusto niyo?
Example, huwag ka nang humirit.
Huwag ka nang humiri. Oh no. Yes!
Super OA. Super OA. Nasaan na? Wait lang. Hindi ko ma-play yung Agila. Ano ba yun?
Huwag na. Okay na.
Ano to? Listening session.
Huwag na.
Hindi. Isang vision, isang alamat naman.
Isang ano din. Isang gut.
Huwag ka nang humirit.
Eh?
Guys, stream Agila, guys. Grabe naman.
Yeah. I'll stream it right now.
Hi, Isa. Hi, Kathleen. Isang Maharani, yes. OG. Thank you, Anne. Thank you, Ashton. Hi, guys. Hi, Saya. Hi, Che. Sayawin mo, dali. Habang nagpe-play, sayawin mo. Wala. Hindi, nakatayo dapat. Doon ka.
Huwag na.
No, you go there.
You try.
Para
Makaalak.
makita.
Wala pang step. May step na yan pero hindi pwede i-reveal.
I'm actually searching for it. Kaya pala. I was like, where's the choreo?
Anong grade na daw tayo? Grade 2.
You guys do have choreo.
What? Yeah. That's the chorus part.
Yeah.
Are you all a P-pop member? Hindi po, K-pop po ako, K-pop.
Ako po, ano po ako? I'm
Thank you, April Joy. Thank you, Ashton. Ano ka?
actor po ako.
Actor. Sayuin mo lang yung chorus.
Pinanonood si Patrick.
Totoo ba? Hi Patrick, sali ka nga dito. Sumali ka dito, dali.
Sorry, Patrick here.
Kahit dito man lang nakikita tayo, hindi tayo nagpapansinan.
Where's Patrick? Is that your condo right now?
No. He's just watching.
Oh, let's dance Don Romantico. You guys do Don Romantico?
How? The Carabao.
Oh, the Carabao.
Just like that.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Teacher!
Don Romantico, just like that. Macho dancer lang.
Ay.
Taneo, do it with me. Do it, Fran.
Play it.
Just like that.
Yes.
Yeah.
This arm.
Okay.
One hand. Friends, you have to sabay.
Okay.
Sabi nila dali.
Daling-dali. Later daling-dali, giling-giling. Later yun. Wait lang. Tayo tayo. Dapat half body. Okay, wait. Hoy, wala naman yung ulo mo. Dapat chorus ha, chorus. Ayun na. Dude, let's go. Dance.
Ay, magano'n lang ulit.
Ayun na. Okay, to the left. To the right. Left. Okay, next song. We're so good, guys. Thank you, guys. Maraming salamat po. Grabe. That was such a nice run, guys. Thank you, class.
Thank you, Sir Ethan, dance class,
Yes.
freestyle dance class teacher.
Yes.
Session daw.
Guys, napasayo ko ang vision tsaka alamat, guys.
Yeah. Sobrang OA. Sobrang OA.
Okay, next naman, daling-dali. Tapos, yung daling-dali, ganyan, giling-giling, ha? Okay. Let's go. Let's do this. Okay, class, you stand up. Okay, stand up. Prepare. Okay, left, right, stretching. Okay, I will just get my shades. Okay, are you all ready? Are you ready?
Game.
Okay. Okay, class. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, ito na. Taneo, you do it, you're not doing it eh.
Doing that, I can feel my shoulders.
Guys, to the right. To the left.
No, ako.
Franz, tumayo ka dyan. Ano ba?
Hold on. I think someone's here.
Oy, Kurt. Ay, oy, Franz. Ayusin mo. More energy. More energy. Okay, class. Thank you so much. Yes.
Hindi na po ako magne-next class dito.
Ay, grabe A-team. Lucky force. Uy. Did you guys like that? Oh my gosh.
Next group daw.
Next group.
Next group. Ang, guys,
I'm gonna invite random mutual, okay?
Guys, nilaro ko yung mga P-pop idols nyo, guys.
talaga.
Hold on. Oh, what the heck?
Hala! Yan!
What?
Alo! Relive!
What happened?
Tingnan mo.
What happened?
May nag-report sa atin. Wala naman tayong ginagawa.
What did I do? There's nothing I did.
Grabe kayo, guys.
You're dealing in.
May nag-report.
Alright guys, anyways, good
Guys,
night.
why will you report me?
Don't do that guys, that's bad.
Relive na, relive.
Nireport mo.
Oh,
Guys,
two restrictions.
it's okay.
Oh.
Guys.
Why will you report me?
Outing na.
Grabe kayo, guys.
Okay, let's relive.
Okay.
I'm gonna go na. Bye guys.
Someone reported me, I think. Hi guys! Kamusta kayo? Kamusta kayo?
Oh, ayan.
Ayan na! Oh my goodness gracious. Hi! Okay na ba yun? Okay na yun nun? Wala nang ano yun?
Di ko alam.
Na-copyright ba ako?
Hindi. Nakalagay parang may nag-report na uncomfy content. Ganun.
Ay, di talaga uncomfy yun.
Oo nga. Parang judger naman ata kayo.
Grabe, sumayaw lang naman ako ah.
Parang judger naman kayo sa dance skills namin.
Bakit? I'm a dancer. Uy! Super OA.
Sobra. Naiinis. Nakita ko parang nakalagay parang daw, sexual movements. OA?
Baka masyadong kinilig, actually. Yun eh.
Feel ko na-threaten si TikTok kasi hindi niya kaya yung ginagawa na. Hindi!
Nasa si Taneo, ano ba yan? Ba't di parang di bumalik?
Wala. Ayaw niya na mag-dance class
Hi,
sa'yo.
Ann! Guys, wait lang. May message ko nga si
Huwag daw gumiling.
Okay. Hindi na ako gigiling. Fine.
Kakain na lang ng ginili.
Actually. Hi, Kathleen. Hi, guys.
Ay po.
Sige na, I'll end in 5 minutes.
Damn.
Kumain.
Nadali daw, nadali.
I think si TikTok mismo. Hindi may nag-report yun.
Meron yan.
Sino kaya yung nag-report?
Guys, press 1 if kayo yung nag-report.
Press 2 for more information.
Tara na, Ethan!
Tara na! Let's do TikTok.
Tara. Kailan ba?
Huwag naman ngayon. Sobrang basic.
Hindi talaga ngayon.
Tagasan ka ba? Sabihin mo lang yung condo mo, tapos di ka naman nila pupuntahan.
Pupuntahan talaga. Promise.
Sabihin mo lang na kunyari, place ka na.
Hindi. Basta ako yung taga QC. Yeah. Around the lang. Around,
Yes, malapit lang talaga tayo, promise.
okay.
Okay, 2 minutes guys. End live in 2 minutes. Hi, shout out to Colin Mariang. Nasaan si Patrick?
Ewan ko, nasa unit niya. Same kami condo. Pero nasa unit niya siya.
Saan kayo? Same ba kayo nila Enzo? Ganon? Doon ka. Grabe, isang unit lang.
Hindi isang unit.
Ay, I mean isang condo
Yes,
lang. So dun sa...
No.
Diyan din sila, ang dami nyo dyan, promise.
Oo nga, madami nga.
Grabe, ang dami nyo dyan.
Taga kami guys? Taga
Zamboanga.
Marinduque. Yes. True story. It's true.
It's true.
It's true. It's true.
Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Good night, guys. Sa mga ano. Nasa Fusion ba kayo?
Nasa?
Fusion Festival?
Saan yun?
Sa...
Hindi ata.
Ano yung grounds?
Pampanga ba yun?
Hindi. Ano yung grounds sa Mimoa?
SMDC
Hindi
ground.
yan. Isa pa.
Wait. Ground floor? Hindi.
Hindi. Second floor.
Ground beef?
Giniling.
Ground beef.
Okay.
Saan ba? Ground ano?
CMPC. CMC?
CP?
CPC?
CPC?
C...
Anong meaning nun?
Hindi ko alam. Yung
CCP daw, CCP.
Ayun, CCP! Yun. Hindi kayo magpo-perform doon?
Ano yung CCP? Cell phone.
No, coming po.
Kala ko Kinimpimpikirit perahu.
Si Kim Doraman. O sige na, 1 minute na, tama na. Bye guys.
Bye guys! Oy, magkita na tayo. Bye-bye.
Message ka ni Pat, love you, bye.